Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by opening the Passwords app and authenticating. This protects your vault. Once unlocked, tap the plus or add button to create a new login entry. Enter the site, username, and a strong password. You can use the built-in generator to avoid weak patterns. Make sure iCloud Keychain is enabled if you want sync. That way, passwords follow you to other Apple devices. This initial step gets your credentials stored securely and ready to autofill. Once done adding entries, you'll want to organize and strengthen them. Navigate to an item to edit username, change password, or add a one-time two-factor code. This keeps logins current. Use the generator when creating or updating a password. Pick length and include symbols or numbers to raise entropy. Make sure to save changes immediately and use the heart or favorites to mark critical accounts. These middle steps reduce account risk and make future sign-ins frictionless. To finish, enable autofill in settings so Safari and apps insert credentials automatically. This saves time and prevents typos. Test on a site. If autofill doesn't match, tap the Passwords app to copy credentials and confirm the URL exactly matches the stored entry. If sync or missing items occur, make sure iCloud Keychain is active, sign out then sign in, or restart the device. One key tip: re-authenticate biometrics or the passcode before assuming data loss.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.